my students, welcome again in YouTube channel. Today we will study about descriptive text. Tentu kamu pernah belajar tentang descriptive text pada waktu kamu duduk di SMP. Sekarang kita akan melanjutkan kembali pelajaran kita, yaitu tentang descriptive text. Pembelajaran dari descriptive text yang pertama, menjelaskan fungsi sosial teks deskriptif tentang tempat, suatu benda, dan orang. Yang kedua, menjelaskan struktur teks tentang tempat, suatu benda, dan orang. Yang ketiga, mengidentifikasi unsur kebahasaan pada teks deskripsi tentang tempat, suatu benda, dan orang. The meaning of descriptive text yaitu descriptive text is the kind of the text which lists the characteristic of the person, place, or things, or describing living and non-living things such as plant, animal, plane, etc. Adapun fungsi sosialnya adalah descriptive text function is to describe a particular person, place, or thing. The generic structure of descriptive text yang pertama itu identification. Di sini identification memperkenalkan or introducing where or who is the object is being described. Memperkenalkan di mana dan siapa objek yang dijelaskan. Itulah pada identification. Yang kedua, description. It is describes parts and the characteristic of the person, place, or thing to describe. Jadi in Indonesian language, dalam paragraf description, itu adalah bagian yang menjelaskan tentang ciri-ciri manusia, ciri-ciri tempat, atau suatu benda yang di-introduce. Jadi misalnya tadi di paragraf pertama di identification diperkenalkanlah suatu objek, kemudian di paragraf kedua objek itu dijelaskanlah apa ciri-cirinya, apa ciri-ciri dari objek tersebut, apa ciri-ciri orang tersebut, apa ciri-ciri dari suatu benda tersebut. Itulah paragraf description. Jadi ada dua paragraf atau the generic structure of descriptive text. Yang pertama identification and the second description. For example, Johnny Depp. Apakah kamu mengenal Johnny Depp? Okay, take a look who is Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp is an actor, musician, and also a producer. He was born on June 9, 1963 in Owensboro, Kentucky, US. He started his career on movie in 1984. His first movie is A Nightmare on Elm Street. Before he became a famous actor, Depp was a musician. The first genre he played was rock music. He is good in playing guitar and writing songs. As long as his life, he wrote so many songs for bands, solo vocalists, and for Sweeney Todd movie. So, the first paragraph, objeknya diperkenalkan. Siapa? Johnny Depp. That is introduction. Jadi, in introductions, we are talking about Johnny Depp. Who is Johnny Depp? Johnny Depp is an actor, musician, and also a producer. Now, the second paragraph, we are talking about the feature of or the characteristic of Johnny Depp. We begins from the first sentence. He was born on June 9, 1963. This all is a description of Johnny Depp. The language feature of the scripted text focus on the specific participant. Jadi fokuslah pada specific participant, peserta atau tokoh secara khusus. Kemudian menggunakan adjective and compound adjective. Jadi adjective itu adalah the words that describe a person, place, and thing.